Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone and app are ready. Open Google Photos and go straight to Library, then Utilities. This is where the locked folder lives. Make sure your device lock, PIN, pattern, or biometric is set and working because Google ties access to that lock. If you updated the app recently, good. If not, update now and relaunch Photos. Once done, you avoid permission hiccups and can enable the feature in the next step. You tap Set up Unlocked Folder and follow the prompts. The app asks for permissions to store and secure files, so grant them. When asked, confirm the device lock to link access. This is why the device PIN matters. Next, move existing photos by selecting Items, tapping the three-dot menu, then move to Locked Folder or set your camera to save privately. Once done, items appear only in the locked folder and won't show up in other feeds or albums. You finish by testing access. Lock the phone, then unlock and open Photos to confirm the locked folder requires your device lock. Make sure items are truly hidden from Timeline and other albums. If not, double-check you used Move rather than Delete. If the folder or files don't appear, confirm storage and lock permissions in System Settings and reboot the device. If problems persist, reinstall Google Photos. This often clears permission conflicts. Then repeat setup and reauthorize access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.